you have to master your cold release point, your cold anchor point. And when I say cold point, I'm talking about you haven't touched your bow for 12 hours, 24 hours a week, and you pick your bow up and you pull it back to that exact spot, the exact anchor spot, and you deliver a shot on target with inside of a 4-inch circle, not off more than 2 inches one way or the other. But when we practice in the afternoon at the house, and let's say you're practicing at 5 o'clock and then you go bow hunting the next morning, and it's not 9 o'clock until you see the deer, well, you know, it's 16 hours since you've taken a shot with your bow. I don't care. Listen to me when I say this. I do not care if you can shoot 10 shots in a row inside of a golf ball area. The only shot that I care about is your very first shot. Like, my deer don't let me shoot at them 2 and 3 times till I get my anchor point right, and then I can make the shot that actually counts, right? If you're off by 4 inches, 5 inches on your shot, great. Well, I'm only off 4 inches. Well, you're also in the yard practicing and you don't have any adrenaline. So let's take that 4 or 5 inches that you're off and add a little adrenaline. All of a sudden you're off by 6 or 7 inches. That's a big deal. Like 6 or 7 inches is a really, really big deal. And did I mention that the deer move? They don't just hold still when you shoot them. Like they're going to duck, they're going to turn, they're going to swirl, they're going to do all kinds of stuff. So you're off 4 inches. Now you're shaking, you're off another 2 inches, 3 inches. Now the deer's moving. The next thing you know, you're off 10 inches. Well, being off 5 or 6 inches is enough depending on the angle. It's the difference between 1 lung or 2 lung, and it's the difference between being in the woods in the middle of the night looking a half mile away and not finding the deer and recovering your deer every time.